The trade of the day was the dollar yen. That was the pretty straightforward, guys. Beautiful trade on dollar yen. And if you look at the 4-hour, that's what I explained my trader this morning. If the price is going to break this level, because price developed a false breakout, price broken and retest, and technically after this breakout we're looking at short trade here, and we bank amazing profit. Most of the traders bank amazing profit, and the target was nicely hit. Hello traders, let me share with you guys how I analyze market and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. And if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of a review, feel free to join my fast growing trading community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. So if you look at the Euro USD chart, if you look at the 4-hour, we had such a nice beautiful rally yesterday. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, feel free. The video link is given in the video description. So at the Asian session, we also had a short trade here, and at the London morning session, we also had a very small short trade here. Afterwards, we had a long trade here, counter long trade. Let me share with you how I analyze entries and exit in intraday. That was a pretty straightforward. If you look at the intraday analysis, okay, so this is the analysis at the night at the Asian session. Okay, you can see here we already had this beautiful rally yesterday, and afterwards we are looking another pullback. Any pullback is performed consider high probability trade. Price develop another pullback, and afterwards we announce all these pullbacks and bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price is respecting, you can see here, that's what I explained my traders, time to enjoy some profit. Let's see possibility of reversal, and as you can see here, then I updated that analysis after the banking some profit in London morning session. Explain my trader, look for this point of interest. That's the beautiful breakout long trade here. Price nicely hit to the profit target, bank some profit, and explain my trader, look for another pullback. Pretty straightforward. As you can see here, then I also explain the price action. As you can see here, we are looking a pullback at this level. We're only going to take a short if the price break and retest. As you can see here, price did not develop any pullback. Price developed another pullback here, and momentum was bullish. That was a pretty straightforward, and as soon as the price hit to the previous high, it's time to enjoy some profit. If you look at here in 4-hour, price nicely hit this level, and that's what I explained my trade, is time to enjoy some profit. We had amazing trade on Euro USD, Pound Dollar. We also had a beautiful trades here. If you look at the 4-hour chart, that was a pretty straightforward. Yesterday we had such a nice beautiful short trade here. Even this morning, price broken, beautiful short trade here, bank some profit. And after banking some profit, as you can see here, price respected. We also had a counter long trade here. We really enjoyed it, and the target was nicely hit, as you can see here previous high, which is broken. Price nicely hit to the profit target. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit. That was a pretty straightforward and amazing trade, guys, here. Right, so if you look at this is the analysis at the Asian session. That was a pretty straightforward. We have this breakout at the Asian session. That was the breakout, and after the breakout, as always, pullback and pullback, bank some profit. As soon as the price developed this double bottom, explain my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit. Let's wait for another price action. As you can see here, price is reversed, and most of the trade was expecting is going to reverse, but I said to my trader, trade what you see it, what not you think. You can see here, that's what I explained. If the price going to develop pullback, break this one, short trade here. We can see here price nicely broken, and beautiful another pullback short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the major support level in 4-hour, that's what I explained my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit. And let's wait for another price action. As you can see here, as soon as the price developed low high and pretty straightforward, price was at the major support level in 4-hour. That was a pretty straightforward breakout and pullback, bank some profit. Price came back here again. That's what I explained my trade, look for another pullback. Pretty straightforward. You can see a beautiful another pullback, amazing profit. And after banking some profit, that's what I explained my trader, and trader was expecting that am I going to see the price, am I going to reverse at this level. That's what I did another analysis instantly and explained through price action. We're only going to take a short trade here if the price gonna break this level and retest. Otherwise, first priority would be the pullback long. Momentum was bullish, as explained all this price action. You can see here price respected here, and as you can see here, based on the momentum, price nicely broken. Based on the analysis, beautiful pullback as soon as the price hit this level in 4 hour, and that's what explained my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. Beautiful trade on pound dollar. Right, so dollar CAD, beautiful trade, guys. We had a long trade here and bank few PPs, and afterwards counter short trade here. Amazing trade. You can see here yesterday we had a long and short, and let me share with you the intraday analysis. That was the pretty straightforward. Okay, so you can see here this morning at the London Open, just before London Open, explained look for pullback, price nicely developed pullback, long trade here, bank some PPs. And afterwards, as you can see here, price develop another falling wedge, so rising wedge, as you can see here. As also mentioned in the analysis, as you can see here, price develop a head and shoulder pattern. So we're looking here another breakout. After the breakout, price nicely develop pullback. And if you look at the 4 hour, we have a major trend resistance line. That was the beautiful short trade here. Price nicely hit to the profit target, and explain my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, how we analyze market in 4 hour and analyze entries and exit and banking some profit. The trade of the day was the dollar yen. That was the pretty straightforward, guys. Beautiful trade on dollar yen. And if you look at the 4 hour, that's what explained my trader this morning. If the price is going to break this level, because price developed a false breakout, price broken and retest, and technically after this breakout we're looking at short trade here, and we bank amazing profit. Most of the traders bank amazing profit, and the target was nicely hit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze an intraday, and that was a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, that was a beautiful short trade here. You can see here after that banking some profit. Some of the traders are still holding, as you can see here, 53 pips short on dollar yen. Already one of these traders, you can see here, bank 84 pips and still one trade open. So most of the traders bank 100+ pips. You can see all of them winning trades, and all of these trades are 100% based on the analysis. If you look at the pound dollar yen, 26 pips. If you look at, this is the entry, you can see this is the entry, this is the exit, and based on the analysis, based on this analysis, as you can see here, that was the pretty straightforward, a breakout, and price nicely hit to the profit target. As you can see here, my traders bank amazing profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mention, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time, and that's the interesting part of it. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train my traders and how I help them to get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trading community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.